Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the Goods and Services tax. Today I will tell you the types of taxes, intrastate supply of goods and services, concepts and accounting treatment. Types of taxes. You may see here the types of taxes are categorized into the three. One is CGST, second is SGST or UGST, and third is IGST. So here the three words are referring. The CGST is referring to the Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST is referring to State Goods and Services Tax. And the UGST referring to the Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. And IGST is referring to Integrated GST Goods and Service Tax. The central sale tax, the merges so many taxes into one, and the state and the union territory also with the one part of the state. So that's why it is this or union, state or union territory. These taxes are levied on the intrastates sales within the same. So CGST and SGST, or you may say the UGST, these two are applying on the intrastate within the state. IGST is levied on the interstate, means when the goods and services supplied outside the state. So the one word is there, but the second one thing I also want to clear, when you are using the rate, like I am giving the one example here, GST is 12%. When it is the 12%, it means the IGST is to be applied with the rate of the 12%. But when we are working on the intrastate, then CGST will be 6% and the SGST will be 6%. The total again will go to the 12%. So it means outside the complete rate will be applied, but when the state is there, that means the 6 plus 6 rate will be applied. Now the intrastate supply of goods and services accounting treatments. Meaning of the intrastate is referring to when the goods and services supplied within the state is called as intrastate. So here the examples are listed. Like the first journal entry is purchase of goods. When the goods are purchased, the purchase account debit to bank or to the creditors. As usual, you have to pass the entry as you know in the chapter journal. But in addition, how to attach the GST. When the goods are purchased, in additionally the tax will be paid with the name of, when it is within the state, with the name of input CGST, and the input SGST will be debited and the rate will be applied. Suppose I am taking the 6% and 6%, this rate will be applied on the value of purchase. And the same is the sale is there. First of all, the same entry you have to pass the bank creditors and to sales, and then in addition the output CGST will be taken. So the when you have to return down the value of the sales, that means the rate will be applied on the value of the sale and the total amount may be collected or may be receivable. So you may say we are not getting any change in the entries, we are adding the in addition the entry input how to attach when passing the journal entry. In the same is when the goods returns. When the goods returns which already purchased, the entry is creditors to purchase returns. But here you may say we are writing here input CGST, input IGST. It means the in the purchase, as you know, the input CGST you have debited and the CGST and SGST debited. But when the goods returns, because it is not on the purpose to sale, it is returning back. So that means then it will be input CGST will be written down and the input SGST will be written down. No output will be written down. It is called as the GST is reversed. So the input you have to write down in case of returns. In the same is the when the sale return is there. So you may see here the goods sold. When the goods sold, output is credited. But when the goods is returns, again the output is to be debited because it is again when the sale is reducing, then output means the taxes will be reduced with the same items. So output will be. So it is also called as GST is reversed. Now For the purchase of the fixed assets, when asset is purchased, it means money is moving out, so the inputs CGST and the input SGST will be paid in addition to bank. And then the expense is in the same. When the payment is outside, input CGST and the input SGST will be placed on the value of expense. And now again, when it is the income, when it is money is coming inside, then output CGST and the output SGST will be placed for the collecting of the income also. First place the income value and I'll apply the rate on the income value. And the same is when the expense is there, apply the rate on the expense and then the money will be collected. So this is the output CGST. And now I am moving to the next one is the intrastate. Within the state, the next content is the money withdrawn, sorry, the goods withdrawn by the proprietors. When the goods withdrawn, the entry is drawings to purchase. When the purchase is reducing in any cases, maybe the reason, maybe the loss, maybe the fire. So that means two purchase is there. When it is two purchase is there, means the goods is reducing. So that means input CGST is written down, input SGST will be written down. No one should write here the output because this is not a sale. It is the loss for the organization. Reason may be drawing, reason may be loss, reason may be fire. And now next one is the same is the when the goods given as a free sample. So we have to write down the advertisement to purchase and the loss by, then loss by fire to purchase, and then when it is stolen, that means the loss by theft to purchase. In all the cases the goods is going down. You don't have to change the value of advertisement loss and to the loss by fire and theft and write down the total value of the goods here, and then GST will be reversed on this value. Then the input will be written down in place of output. So I'm moving to the setting off, but before to the setting off I want to tell you the one thing more. That means you have to pass the entry first and you have to collect the data like the CGST, how many times you the balance arise by making the debit and credit difference. You have to derive the data. First is the input CGST and the total balance of the output CGST from the entries made. In the same manner of the SGST and the input and output will be calculated. In the simple way, we are referring to first of all the input CGST will be covered from the output CGST. So entry is output CGST will be debited to input CGST. But if output CGST is more, then input is less, then rest of balance is to be paid as the last entry is shown, the output CGST to bank. You may do the collective entries or you may do at the last. But the second is the output CGST and to input CGST first to see. If the output SGST is more, then the rest of part of, after covering to the input CGST to be paid to the government as tax to bank. You may write down with the one entry, but in case of suppose output CGST is equivalent to the input, then input to the output to the input will be placed with the same value, but some in cases it is less, output is less. So up to the input value you have to cover from the output and no value will be paid to the government till it is covered. I think the matter is clear. With the practices you know how to set off these entries. Thank you.